I don't know what to do with this mop. Gotta cut it all off, that's what I do. When I get home next week, just gonna get a razor. It's gonna be a basketball. Next time you see it. Basketball. Oh, I did it again. Didn't mean to do that.